Wait, what? Did they actually say Bitcoin will hit 333k in 2022? Hey guys, a very good morning to all my crypto peculiars. So, have you been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMonk's got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Dogecoin co-creator Billy Marcus holds just $42k in Doge. First Meta swap, now Meta DAO rug pulled, 800 ETH lost. Bitcoin can hit $333k parabolically if this BTC price fractal plays out. As per 28 December 2021, with around 850% surge, Pepe tops the meme coin list. So let's start up with our refresh feed. Firstly, Billy Marcus, the co-creator of Dogecoin, wants it clear that he does not speak for Dogecoin. Marcus only has 220k Doge, and while the project's Twitter trolls have irritated him, he says he appreciates the people who are still working on it. Oh wait, don't tell me he's gonna support Shiba in this meme battle. No way. Well, our first headline is Billy Marcus, co-creator of the original joke coin Dogecoin, reminded his fans on Twitter that he does not speak for Dogecoin. He also revealed that the exact amount of Dogecoins he owns, 220,000 Doge or $41,800 at current pricing. Marcus, who goes around the Twitter handle Shibetoshi Nakamoto, confirmed on Sunday that he is no longer working on the Dogecoin project. Marcus wrote, "I'm not on the project. I'm a part of the community. I have roughly 220k Doge in my possession." Marcus went on to add that he would never code his masterpiece again. "Working on a crypto project is horrible," he added, "because the more you do for people, the more entitled they get and the worse they treat you." Despite his dissatisfaction, Marcus says he appreciates the Dogecoin developers who have volunteered to continue the project. "Those that I believe are actively making the place better," he continued, "I will protect. Those who I believe aren't will be discouraged." So moving forward with our next segment for today, after MetaSwap's MGAS token fell just under 47% of its value, PeckShield, a prominent blockchain security business, cautioned investors of a possible rug pull. Apparently, a rug pull occurs when crypto engineers quit a project and depart with investors' funds. Well, let's have a look at what exactly happened. This morning, PeckShield discovered MetaSwap carpets being pulled and transferred stolen cash to Tornado Cash. Do not cancel this contract, and if you have, withdraw as quickly as possible. Rug pulls are particularly popular in the decentralized finance environment where users may easily swap Bitcoin without the need for a middleman. DeFi allows tokens to be generated at a minimal cost and then listed on decentralized markets. This is because code audits are not required for these transactions. To guarantee that a token's smart contract is free of errors, third-party companies conduct code audits. Without a code audit, there is very little insight into the authenticity of a Bitcoin token. Clients of the platform formed a Telegram group to hire experts to discover project organizers and recover assets. Another protocol, MetaDAO, has also been targeted by the rug pull scam, according to PeckShield. The total loss was 800 ETH. The assets are directed to Tornado Cash, just like MetaSwap Gas. Bent Finance, like other crypto community victims such as Grim Finance, Bitmart, and AscendX, has pledged to return all stolen funds to its investors. The team, on the other hand, has yet to develop a strategy for dealing with this. "We advise you to leave the protocol until further notice. We're not going anywhere and will get through in this some manner." So moving forward with our next interesting coverage, a shift in the Fed's stance might trigger a flight to safety, sending Bitcoin's price skyrocketing. According to a new projection, Bitcoin might reach a staggering $333k by May 2022 if the US Federal Reserve creates a perfect storm of low rates. Well, let's have a look at the present scenario. BTC USD is poised to achieve massive gains in the following 6 months, assuming conditions stay the same as they were during 2021. The Fed is expected to raise interest rates twice next year, and many believe that these rises are priced in, but an unexpected shift in policy may have far-reaching effects. According to Philip, who has examined Fibonacci sequences as well as historical market activity during prior halving cycles, Bitcoin might climb over $300,000 as a result of Fed policymakers easing off on rate hikes. To get there parabolically, he told Cointelegraph, we'd probably need a perfect storm of the Fed's inability to hike rates and heightened inflation leading to a flight to safety in BTC. The price behavior has been quite predictable since December 2018 when BTC USD bottomed out around $3,100 as shown in the accompanying chart, which was uploaded on Twitter at the time. Prices exactly were predicted. Philip told Twitter followers, "You don't have enough crypto for what will happen in 2022. As incredible as that may seem, such a scenario isn't as far-fetched as it appears, at least in terms of technology. The market is already showing signs of a breakout to the upside as more and more indications line up to demand it." So wrapping up with our final segment, the top surging meme coin for today is Pepe, not Popeye, the sailor man, but Pepe. So this one surged around 850%. Let's have a look at its growth and the recent surge. With a 24-hour trading volume of $449,736 USD, the current Pepe price is $0.000008 USD. Our Pepe to USD pricing is updated according to 6 a.m. IST. In the previous 24 hours, Pepe has increased by 886.31%. With a live market cap of not available, the current coin market cap ranking is 3554. There is no circulating supply and a maximum supply of 1,000 trillion Pepe coins. Pepe is a digital currency that may be used to make online purchases and payments. It is a payment service that allows you to earn money while you sleep. Their goal is to provide Pepe investors 5% of every transactions in order to create money through Pepe distribution. Pepe's interface allows developers to use API software to interact with the payment mechanism. So we will now wind up with the assessment for today morning and meet you all in the evening with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.